Good morning, sir. This is Jayant from CSCC section. Today, my topic is Fermi-Dirac distribution. Fermi-Dirac distribution. Introduction to Fermi-Dirac distribution. That Fermi-Dirac distribution describes the statistical distribution of particles in quantum mechanics. It is crucial for understanding the behavior of fermions, which includes electrons, protons, and neutrons. This distribution is fundamental in fields such as condensed matter physics and quantum statistics. Basic concepts of fermions. Fermions are particles that follow the Paul execution principle, meaning no two fermions can occupy the same quantum state. They have of integer spin values, which distinguishes them from bosons that can occupy the same state. Common examples of fermions include electrons, which are essential for chemical bonding and electrical condition. The mathematical formulation. The Fermi Dirac distribution function is given by the formula f of e is equals to 1 by e of a into e minus mu by kt plus 1. In this equation, E is the energy of the state, mu is the chemical potential, K is the Boltzmann's constant, and T is the temperature. This formula calculates the probability of the state being occupied by a fermion at a given temperature. Physical significance of distribution. The Fermi-Dirac distribution indicates that at absolutely zero, all states below the Fermi energy are filled. As temperature increases, particles can occupy higherly energy states and leading to thermal excitations. This behavior is critical is understanding electrical and thermal conductivity in metals and semiconductors. Comparison with other distributions. The Fermi-Dirac distributions differs from Bose-Einstein distribution, which applies to bosons. It also contrasts with the Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution, used for classical particles at higher temperatures. Understanding these differences is essential for applications in statical mechanics and thermodynamics. Applications in solid state physics. The Fermi Dirac distribution is vital in explaining the electronic properties of metals and semiconductors. It helps predict the behavior of electronics in conduction bands influencing electrical conductivity. This distribution is also used to analyze thermal properties and heat capacities of materials. The Fermi energy. The Fermi energy is defined as the highest energy level occupied by fermions at absolutely zero temperature. It plays a crucial role in determining the electrical and thermal properties of material. Changes in Fermi energy can significantly affect how materials respond to external conditions such as temperature. Quantum gases and Fermi-Dirac statistics. Fermi-Dirac statistics applies to system of non-interacting fermions such as electrons in a metal. At low temperature, these systems can exhibit quantum phenomena like superconductivity. Understanding these statistics is essential for advancing technologies in quantum computing and nanotechnology. Experimentation and measurement. Experimental techniques such as angle resolved photoemission spectroscopy help verify Fermi Dirac statistics. These measurements provide insights into the electronic structure and Fermi surfaces of materials. Such experimental validation is crucial for developing new materials with tailored electronic properties. Conclusion and future directions. The Fermi direction distribution remains a cornerstone in the study of quantum mechanics and statical physics. Ongoing research aims to explore new materials and phenomena influenced by fermionic behavior. Understanding this distribution is essential for future advancements in physics, material science, and technology. Reference: Statical Mechanics by R.K. Pathira and Paul D. Bale. Quantum Mechanics Concepts and Applications by Naudhain Jetil. Introduction to Solid State Physics by Charles Kittel. Feel free to modify and concept or request additional details. So, thank you.